Late to my own release party, man, I'm toe up and I'm plastered. Sorta happy I ain't blow up any faster. Now I wish it all was slow up, let me capture experiences while I grow up as a bachelor. Making Skrilla while I'm traveling the Atlas. When it comes to raps, they can't touch me like a cactus. Everything from this point backwards was practice. Now I'm making classics and sleeping with an actress. I guess I just wasn't doing what the rest was, even if it meant they always used to show me less love. Now it's always shows at the best clubs, the best parties, best girls, and the best drugs. See, it deals what a dummy runs after. DIY swag, but your business comes faster. I started at the floor, now I'm living on tour. You appreciate it more when the money comes after. The hard work and dedication it requires. My flow is even hotter than the air inside dryers. With a match under A&R's chairs making fires. Trying to cash a check to satisfy my desires. Crops taste better when you harvest them yourself. They talk a lot, but you should be the hardest on yourself. And my only advice is take a look inside the mirror. Stop rapping now if you don't see an artist in yourself. What's the difference between me and you? About 5 beats a day for 3 summers on 2 CPUs. Trying to catch a spaceship to the moon. I know what I've been working for is coming so soon.